Hi guys, welcome to Stylecracker headquarters. Today we're going to show you how to customize your t-shirt and make it into your very own crop top. Crop tops were huge in the summer, but we've also seen them carry forward to the winter. And given that they're still in the high street shops, they're still on runways, why not make your crop top yourself? So here we have a basic grey t-shirt which is a medium size. What we've done is we've just chopped off the neck and rolled up the sleeves and just sort of given it a cooler shape, so to speak. And now we're going to have some fun with it. So first and foremost, draw out the design that you want to do. We are going with a pocket. We've sort of decided to give a studded pocket to the t-shirt. Draw it out with a pencil and a ruler, and once you're done doing that, start laying out the studs as per your liking. What we're doing is laying it out in a line along the rim, and we're going to add a vertical line all around. So you can put them in place with any pointy tip to kind of just settle them in. We've not put any fabric glue, but you could also use fabric glue and have these stuck on. So the next step is to place a small sheet of butter paper according to how much or how many rather sequins or studs you have. Lightly place it right over. Preheat the iron for about 2 to 3 minutes so that it heats up, and make sure it's reasonably hot, otherwise it won't stick. All you need to do is lay it on for about 10 seconds and here they are. They've settled into the fabric. So now according to how you like it, you can either line the studs along the edges of the pocket to define it like how we are doing right now. Again, use a pencil to put them in place. It'll just be quicker. We've placed the butter paper on the new rim that we've added, and in the same way we're going to place the iron on it for a couple of seconds, 10 to be precise. There you have it. So you can see how pretty they're looking, they're sparkling. Now if you want, you could either fill them up with the same sized studs, or what you can do is add another element to it by just changing it up a little bit. So what we've got here are rounded bullets that we are going to place inside the pocket. So you can just put 6 ones in the middle. You can either scatter them about or place them in a line. That's what we've done. Set these in as well the same way that we did. So place the butter paper on the entire pocket like you did earlier, and repeat the process with the iron. And check to see if they're shifting. Be careful, it's a little hot. So here you go, your studded DIY crop t-shirt is ready to wear. It's super cute. I think you can wear it in the day. You can dress it up and wear it with like leather shorts in the night and with like cute booties. And if you want, you can even add more embellishments as per your liking. We've sort of just done the pocket, but it's totally up to you.